Lucy, where's the picture of your Grandpa Nelson?
Oh, yeah.
What's that a picture of?
Oh, yeah.
What's in that picture? What is that?
This not this tickle.
Is that your puppy?
This not this tickle. Not this tickle and the puppy and the kip F and mommy E.
You know your Grandpa Nelson gave you that puppy?
Yeah. I love my puppy.
You love your puppy? Lucy, do you love your puppy?
Okay.
Okay.
We get my puppy. We get my puppy.
Okay, go get it. Lucy, who gave you that puppy?
That was else my puppy.
Yeah, Grandpa Nelson gave you that puppy.
Yeah. So many cookies are gone.
He gave you a cookie and now it's all gone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, when we went to go see him. Was it a yummy cookie?
Yeah.
Good. Can you say bye-bye?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.